Hello friends, I hope you're well, and if you're talking about today's video, you can see its topic is garden landscaping and edging ideas. They are an excellent way to enhance the appearance of your garden and create beautiful outdoor space with so many options to choose from. You can create a landscape that suits your style and preferences. In this video, we will explore some garden landscaping and edging ideas to help you get started. One of the most popular garden landscaping ideas is to create garden bed with raised border. This not only adds length and dimension to your garden, but also helps to keep plants contained and organized. Raised borders can be made from variety of materials such as brick, stone, or timber. They can be simple and straight or curved and elaborate, depending on your preference. Another great landscaping idea is to add garden sculpture or decorative features such as fountains or birdbaths. These are add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your garden while also providing a focal point that draws the eyes. Edging is another important aspect of landscaping that can help to define and separate different areas of your garden. There are many options for garden edging, including brick, stone, metal, and plastic. You can also use natural materials such as rocks or logs to create a more rustic look. You can also use glass bottles in this idea. One popular edging idea is to use plants themselves as the edging. This involves planting low growing plants or ground covers around the perimeter of your garden beds to create a natural border. This only not looks beautiful but also helps to prevent weeds from encroaching to your garden. In addition to creating garden beds and edging, you can also add pathways to your garden to create a sense of flow and movement. These can be made from a variety of material including gravel, stone or brick. You can also use plants to create a natural path such as planting ground covers between stepping stones. In conclusion, the garden landscaping and edging ideas are an excellent way to create a beautiful outdoor space that you can enjoy and be proud of. With so many options to choose from, you can create a landscape that reflects your style and personality. Whether you prefer a rustic, natural look or a more elegant, sophisticated style, there are many landscaping and edging ideas that can help you achieve your vision. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas. And if you like our video, subscribe our channel and hit the like button.